Hello, students and professionals. Let's welcome back another important session. So let's try to know this one. This is very, very important. And this video and next video is going to create an impact in your real-time work for output determination. So especially those people who are working in support track, it is 100% useful. So let's get into the topic without wasting any time. So important to know, if you know output type or any other details, how do you find output master records on SAP ECC or S4 HANA? Okay. So generally what happens if you know output type, okay? So either sales order output type or delivery output type or billing output type, quotation or inquiry, or else side or any output type for that matters. If you know that, how do you find the details? How exactly it is very, very important. If you know output type, if you know the transaction, you can go and get the certain details. But if you would like to get all details at one place, you know that we can able to find at table level. Okay, so let's try to break this one today. So the transaction code is so not T code. This is the table actually. This is a mistake actually. So NACH is the table, the place where you can able to find it out. Okay. So let's try to do some experiments. See, functional consultant all means you just have to improve your analytical skills, not only configuration and not only understanding the requirements. Okay, let's try to get into that. So if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. All these are the different courses. Currently I'm holding 5,000, around 5,700 students, too short of that, and successfully 900 and plus reviews, both positive and negative. If you really wanted to get train yourself, this is the right place. Sales and distribution, this is more than 110 hours, and this is specifically I would recommend if you are an SD consultant, you can give a try for idoc with 5 scenarios. It is going to cover your interview as well as your real-time preparation and getting master to write functional specification. All these are the different courses available. I'm just providing these links below the video. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'll just take any one of the output for that matters. See, all these tips are so helpful while working yourself. Let's try to do some practice and bring the confidence back. Okay, so this is the table NACH detailed output data. This is for condition record. If you see, if you look at here, condition record is the actually the key field. Okay, so if you know the condition record, you can able to enter it. But there is no question. If you know the condition record, you can able to go and try to search it. But what exactly moves for us? So let's try to give some output. Okay, for example, RT000, I'm just giving. This is one of the standard output type, which is going to generate your billing document. Let's click on execute. So currently this is a practice system. We're having, 17 hits available. That means 17 output records got maintained. If you look at here, this is the place where condition record. So you can able to find the table against your output type. And this is the basically application. What it talks about application is V3 means your billing. V1 is for sales and V2 is for delivery and V3 is for billing. Okay, so in next session we'll discuss what exactly the where key. Okay, so this is the basically the for which partner function the output condition record got maintained. And if you look at this, one means printout. See, if you see in this practice system, you think that this is nothing for you. Okay, but actually if you are working in global project, suppose for RD00, you maintained fax, you maintained printout, and you maintained multiple kind of output types across different countries and different locations, so that even it will not be 500 hits. It's more than 10,000 or 2,000 20,000 condition records will be there, output records. Such a case, this table level analysis is very, very useful. For example, here medium is available only as of now, it is print. For example, if you take, let me try to do one thing. I don't want to filter with by output type. If you run this table, okay, probably I'll run for all my billing documents by application. I can able to filter it out even if I don't know output type also. It doesn't matter for me. Now look at this. Previously it was 17. Now we got 89 records, out of which you can able to see this medium. I would like to find, if you newly joined in project, I would like to find what are all the EDA outputs got generated for a certain output type. First, you would like to know that how many EDA output types are available to generate idoc or else certain, uh, data need to be transferred from existing SAP system to another system. Okay, so such a case, you try to do the filter here. So what I wanted to do is, let's put it 6. This is for EDA. Okay, so let's try to filter it. So you can able to execute it. Okay, within this, if you wanted to filter again, you can able to do the condition type as filter also. For example, RD000, I'm just doing this one. Okay, so nothing is available. Let's refresh this. Okay, okay. So let's try to filter the medium as 6. Okay. Here few output types available. So RD04. Let's try to take a filter. Try to filter anything. See, if you see this, certain times you will have a different key combinations. Okay. You can able to find so probably I would like to filter with this. Okay. Okay. Somehow this filtering is not working in the system, but anyhow, it doesn't matter. You can able to give the star also. So let's try to take here 008. Okay. Okay, we got 26. Like that, you can able to filter it out. Okay. So, certain times what happens, users will change output records. Okay. Of course, it is at support, and certain times, like it is the job from, support consultant need to maintain or modify it. But certain times what happens, it need to be changed by users by default. Okay. There is something called over enthusiasm or also lack of knowledge. So you will get certain issues. Okay. So you can able to see this. Within this, you would like to find on save. In my previous video, I have explained. If you would like to filter it, you can able to do it. Okay. Let's check this, whether this works or not. Okay. Now you got this one. So like that, you can able to manage. So you remember this table. It is very, very important. Certain times interview also, they will ask questions regarding this one, and one more table also there that is even more important, and I will explain in the next session, because one thing, one context and one learning with a clear mind, it is very, very important. That's why I don't want to club those things there. So now you got it. So like when it is got created and which table and which application, in the similar way, if I would like to make something better, okay, let me try to do it for V2. Okay, this is for delivery. Let me try to run. Probably I know the output LD000. This is the standard one. Let's try to filter. So we got 15 outputs. You can able to see this. Okay. So let's check this. Okay, B means this is the output basically. Okay. So this is how you can able to filter it out. Basically, ship to party here on save or else with one application or with our background job. This is for printout. In the similar way, it can happen with idoc also. Okay. That's all. So what I have done for EDA, I have shown 6 scenarios, 5 to 6 scenarios. In that, I have done explanation about how the billing output will be generated, how order acknowledgement, how the purchase order, uh, will be converted into the sales order. All those things I have explained here. If you really want, you can give a try. If you would like to get introduced yourself before getting into the real time, better try this course. That's what I'm just recommending. So on top of it, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel to get more inputs like this. And I'm wishing you all the best, and thank you. Jai Bharat. Have a great day. Jai Hind.